Hello, my real estate loves. Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you would like to learn more about real estate, buying and selling a home, what the state of Georgia has to offer as far as different restaurants, entertainment. I am going to take you on that journey with me. So again, please like and subscribe. So let's jump into what today's video is about. So a few weeks ago, I did a video on the 4 initial basic steps of home ownership. In that video, I talked about loan types. So I wanted to take a deeper dive into the 3 major loan types and what each of them require, and so that when you talk to your lender that you have a better understanding and a little more educated and can ask additional questions if you need to when you start going through your pre-approval process. Okay, so I'm going to start with FHA loans. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. FHA is backed by the government, and a lot of buyers get approved for FHA loans. A lot of first-time home buyers, but it's not just for first-time home buyers because FHA typically comes with a lower down payment. It can be as low as 3.5%. And also a lower interest rate is required, and it can be as low as a 580. FHA also has something called a PMI, a private mortgage insurance. Private mortgage insurance protects the lender. It protects the lender just in case a buyer defaults on a loan. So there is a PMI fee that is charged when you get approved for an FHA loan. So there's a PMI that is included within an FHA loan is for the life of the loan, and it is something that a lender charges to the buyer just in case the buyer defaults on the loan for any reason. So it definitely protects the lender. Now let's move on to conventional loans. Conventional loans require a little more down and a little bit higher of an interest rate. So conventional loans can require as low as 5% down and an interest rate of 620. Now with each of these loan types, the lender sets their own requirements. I do want to put that out there that the lender sets their own requirements. So even though it can be as low as a 580 for FHA or as low as a 620 for conventional loans, the lender does set their requirements and they will let you know what they will and will not accept. So be prepared. Make sure that your credit score is as good as it can possibly be when you do decide to go through the pre-approval process. So let's go back to conventional loan. Again, it can be as low as 5% down, and you can have a credit score as low as a 620. Now, conventional loans do have a PMI. However, if you could put 20% down on a conventional loan, you can alleviate PMI. You can get rid of PMI, or even if you put your 5% down and eventually pay that difference, the 15% that's left over, you will no longer have to deal with having PMI as an extra cost. So that's something to think about with conventional loans. And sometimes sellers and listing agents, depending on what's going on in the market, like right now we're in a seller's market, they tend to favor conventional loans. For some reason, they feel like they're a stronger option. However, once you're pre-approved, whether it's FHA or conventional, you are pre-approved, so go start looking for your house. Okay, so we talked about FHA, that is as low as 3.5% down, 580 credit score. Conventional loan as low as 5% down, 620 credit score. Again, it's at the lender's discretion. And then you can also, our next loan type that I wanted to discuss are the VA loans. VA loans are awesome. So if you're a veteran, make sure that you take full advantage of the VA loan. So VA loans, they are 100% financing. No down payment is required. That is amazing. Now, of course, you'll still have to have your closing costs and any earnest money that you need to put down, but that's with all loan types. That's with FHA, conventional, and VA. You need to make sure that you have your closing costs and earnest money put to the side and available for when you are ready to start this journey. But VA loans, they typically also, you can sometimes get approved with as low as with a score as low as a 580 as well. So veterans, you do have an awesome opportunity. Make sure that you take full advantage of that. So again, I hope that this video helped. It is short, sweet, and to the point, but I just wanted to give a little more insight. Make sure that you buyers are a little more educated when you do decide to go look for a home. You can write down some questions for your lender now that you have an understanding, and also decide which loan type is best for you and what will work towards your advantage. So I hope that this video was helpful. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel once again. I will see you guys soon, and I love you all. Mwah!